Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The US dollar breached the $150 mark for the first time in almost a month, slowly reversing the Jamaican dollar gains made over the last few weeks. The greenback is selling for an average $150.75. The Canadian currency is trading at $119.85. $204.71 is the going rate for the pound, and $175.19 for the euro. Head of the World Bank, David Malpass, says key global economic indicators continue to show strain due to the COVID-19 pandemic despite signs of improvement. He addressed the start of the World Bank's annual meetings today.
GDP will return next year to pre-pandemic levels in many emerging and developing economies, but per capita income will take more time to reach 2019 levels. In many countries, the recovery is even slower and full of complex challenges. Poverty increased, and the gap between the poorest and the wealthiest is widening. While the incomes of the top 40% rebounded quickly, the recovery has not started for the bottom 40%. The result has been a substantial increase in global poverty, with nearly 100 million additional people living in extreme poverty, and with several hundred million new poor using the middle-income country poverty lines.
He says much work is needed to boost sustainable growth, especially in developing states.
Economic stability, laying the groundwork for medium-term growth. Developing countries increased drastically their public debt due to the pandemic and cannot keep doing whatever it takes. The time has come to start charting a gradual path toward consolidation, one that keeps the welfare of citizens as the guiding principle. Enhancing and simplifying tax structures while eliminating wasteful public expenditures, increasing the efficiency of service delivery, and reallocating resources toward their most productive uses will be essential. But the transition needs to be well calibrated, considering country conditions, including current fiscal space, monetary policy given inflationary pressures, real sector dynamics, and risks ahead.
Jamaican software development firm Particular Presence Technologies PPT has been listed as the sole Caribbean partner in Amazon Web Services' latest global expansion. The company is among 74 new Amazon partners. Now, Amazon partners offer solutions and services for more than 1 million active Amazon Web Services customers worldwide. The partnership comes weeks after Amazon added Jamaica to its approved list of countries accepted for seller registration. The JC Index lost 1,280 points today, while the Junior Market Index declined by 23 points. Today's advances include Siboney Group, JMMB Group 7.5% shares, Cayley Group, First Rock Capital Holdings, and 138 Student Living. On the losing side were CAC 2000, Kingston Properties, Margaritaville Turks, Medical Disposables and Supplies, as well as Epley. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.